Hi everyone. Welcome back. So guys, as part of this session, let us see how exactly we can capture a video. By default, using a Playwright test, you can capture a video and the video will be option that needs to be configured as part of a Playwright configuration file. And by default, the video is in an off state. For any, Playwright configuration in order to capture the video, you do have a three different options to handle. The first one is an on, the second one is a retain on a failure, and the last one is on a first retry. So these are the three different options that you can pass on. Okay, these are the three different options that you can pass on any videos. And by default, the videos will be captured as part of the test results folder. And then you do have a configuration inside this define config under the use just by defining a video with any one of these four values. So on means it will be capturing video for everything. Retain on a failure means for suppose you executed five different tests, among which for all the five tests it will capture the video. For suppose if none of the tests got a failed, it will delete all the videos. For suppose out of a five tests, one got a failed and four got a passed. For all those of passed tests, it will delete the video. Only for the failed one, it will capture the video. And basically on a first retry means whenever there is a failure, it will try to perform a retry operation. Consider that you have a retry for three times, but it will capture the video only for the first time. But for others, the video will not be captured. So what I am doing here is as part of my Playwright configuration under the use itself, I'm defining my video as an on. Okay, I'm defining my video as an on itself. Okay, perfectly all right. As I have defined my video as an on, let me pull my terminal and let me try to run my program right now. So I'm just trying to execute my program. Five different tests got executed. So if you look at that particular report, so for each and every test, see here, for each and every test, the video is captured. And moreover, if you look into the test details, okay, if you scroll down further, you will be having this particular video for that particular test. Okay, you will be having a video for that particular test. This is an on. And the next one is retain on a failure. Let's come back. Okay, let's come back and change this value from on to retain on a failure. Okay, and let me try to run it. So in the current situation, okay, in the current situation, one second, let me re-execute the program. In the current situation, none of the tests got a failed. Okay, none of the tests got a failed. So if you look at it as no tests got a failed, not even a single video got a captured here. Okay, not even a single video got a captured. So what I am doing right now is in my program, wantedly, I'm just failing it. So I just changed my expect. Okay, so it was expecting login. I just changed it to Surendra. Definitely this will fail, which means out of five tests, one test will definitely gets failed. Okay, out of a five tests, one test will definitely get failed. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether it is capturing the video only for the failed tests or not. See here, guys, if you look at it, out of a five, one got a failed, and the video is captured only for the failed one, but not for others. Okay, that's what the significance of a retain on a failure. Okay, perfectly all right. And the last one is on first retry. Okay, on first retry. Let us look at this option also in the configuration file. Let me change it to on first retry. Okay, on first retry, and let me try to run this particular program. Okay, let me try to run this program. It's getting executed, and my retry mechanism is happening. The first retry, the script got a fail and this captured the video. See here, in the first instance, the video is not there. So what is the program that it got a failed basically? If you look at it basically, launch application is the program that it got a fail. So this is the launch application. This is got a fail. And if you look at the retry one, okay, if you look at the retry one, there is a video that it got a captured for the retry one. Okay, so this is the way how exactly you can configure this particular videos. And there is another option that Playwright is further offering. So, buddy, you can directly go with this particular video, or if you want to specify any particular dimensions, the size, you can specify the width and as well as a height for that as well. So, let me copy this whole chunk from the documentation, come back here to this Playwright configuration inside this video. So, let me copy these whole lines. Okay, let me copy these whole lines and come back here, replace it. And this time, by default, I'm changing my video as an on itself. Okay, by default, I'm changing my video as an on. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether the video is capturing with the specified resolutions or not. So here, for all the instances, the video got captured. And if you look at this particular video, the screen dimensions, whatever it was mentioned as part of that particular program, right? All those dimensions that will be capturing the video. Okay, all those dimensions that will be capturing the video. So this is the way how exactly you can deal with it. Okay, this is the way how exactly you can deal with the program, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next session with a further topic. Thank you. Bye bye.